Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in to hear my trading and market updates. This is Uncle Frank, and I'm not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the presentation, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're alerted when I have new information to share. So now let's get into the latest updates. Hey, welcome back everyone. In this episode, we're going to let the headlines do the talking, and then we're going to discuss the SEC's case against Ripple XRP. We're going to go way back to 2018. Saudi Arabia's central bank signs blockchain deal with Ripple. That's from Reuters. Now, as we review these headlines, I want you to compare them to headlines covering your favorite crypto. Doge, Shiba Inu, TacoCat, Polkadot, Cardano, whatever. Let's fast forward to July of 2022. Ripple signs Middle East's largest bank to promote XRP utility. July 26th, Ripple partners with FOMOPay to improve treasury management. August 18th, 2022, from BusinessWire, Ripple launches crypto-enabled enterprise payments in Brazil with Travelex Bank. September of 2022, Ripple's major partner in Latin America launches crypto remittances between Mexico and Canada. What I'm trying to show you guys is how important this XRP case is, and also how important the subsequent IPO for Ripple will be. From CoinDesk, October of 2022, Ripple builds new partnership in France and Sweden despite crypto bear market. Ripple Inc. deals with Paris-based payment provider for online marketplaces Lemonway and Swedish money transfer provider Xbot. November of 2022, Brad Garlinghouse says Bank of America is a huge partner of Ripple, waiting for lawsuit to end. Now follow me to December of 2022. FX Street, JP Morgan joins forces with Ripple partner in the UAE. January of 2023, from Industry Trends, Ripple XRP becomes the new favorite of crypto whales. April of 2023, Ripple-based MoneyTap adopted by 3 Japanese banks. March of 2023, from CoinDesk, XRP trading volumes surges to billions of dollars on South Korean crypto exchanges. XRP trading made up nearly 50% of all volume on Corbit, a prominent local exchange. April 10th, 2023, crypto news flash. Ripple Payment Corridor US-Mexico sees massive increase in billions of dollars using XRP tech report. May 9th of 2023, from Crypto News Flash again, Ripple and XRP go big with massive expansion in the billion-dollar Dubai and MENA markets, no matter what the SEC and Gary Gensler think. And then May 9th of this year, from Bitcoinist, already 13 African countries utilize Ripple and XRP report. April 11th, from CoinDesk, Montenegro's central bank to test CBDC with Ripple. May 19th, Ripple CBDC platform to be used by 4 countries, details, and they list Palau, Bhutan, and Montenegro. And then June of this year, from Blockworks, South Korea has traded way more XRP than Ethereum this year. In South Korea, XRP has persisted as the most traded cryptocurrency outside of Bitcoin over the year to date. And then in June, from Cointelegraph, Ripple partners with Colombia's central bank to explore blockchain technology. The pilot program will run through 2023 with the intent of demonstrating blockchain utility to the general public. June 15th of this year, every bank in Japan will use Ripple's XRP by 2025, says SBI CEO. And then June 25th, Ripple onboarded for real-time settlement platform by Fed Reserve Bank of America. Will it propel XRP price to a new all-time high? From investing.com, June 28th, Ripple powering Indian Bank's digital rupee project. Moving into July from Crypto Newsflash, Ripple partners among U.S. firms piloting Federal Reserve's new FedNow service. July 10th from the Daily HODL, Bank of America says Ripple making waves in cross-border payments with blockchain. July 11th, Ripple secures first CBDC award as the best sustainability initiative for digital currency. And the following day, Ripple discussed with UK government on crypto and XRP adoption in the United Kingdom. Now remember, I will never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any security or cryptocurrency. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But 932 days, guys. Tomorrow will be 933 days since this case started. SEC charges Ripple and two executives with conducting $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering. Does it really take 1,000 days to figure out if XRP is a cryptocurrency or a security? Well, I never said I was a crypto expert, but I know a good trade setup when I see one, and I have a PhD in bullshit detection. So let's see if Uncle Frank can solve this mystery in a couple minutes. Now, it's true, cryptocurrencies share many similarities with conventional fiat money, but also offer some interesting advantages. Both can be used for payments and as a store of value. Both rely on widespread consumer trust in order to function as a means of exchange. But the big difference? Fiat money is issued and controlled by central banks and governments. Now, here's a simple chart comparing fiat currency to the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Fiat currency is obviously physical and issued by governments, centralized, monitored by governments, unlimited supply, certainly in our case, and restricted by borders. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, is digital, generated by computers, or mined in this case, decentralized, meaning no one can control it, and it has a limited supply and typically unseizable. But the other differences to me are more significant and easier to understand. Number one, you don't buy crypto like XRP. You convert fiat currencies or other cryptos into and out of it, just like you would the dollar or euros, yen, or any other fiat currency. You want more obvious reasons XRP is not a security? Well, you might be able to deposit it somewhere and even earn interest on it, but it will never pay you interest like a bond. You may own it like a security, but it'll never pay you a dividend like a stock. You see how easy that is? Bonds pay interest and stocks pay dividends because they are securities. But the biggest difference between stocks and crypto is stocks represent an ownership share of the company, whereas a crypto token is a means of exchange. Just because I own some XRP doesn't mean I own a stake in Ripple. I can't pay for a movie ticket at AMC Theaters with my shares in Tesla, but I can use Bitcoin. Isn't that easy? So what's this really all about, Uncle Frank, in your opinion? I'll tell you. SWIFT, sanctions, and the SEC. Whenever you hear Biden say, hey, I'm going to put sanctions on Russia, he's talking about SWIFT, restricting their cross-border payments. Who is SWIFT? Some nameless, faceless organization in Belgium, very much like our Fed Reserve, that has had a monopoly for over 50 years on wiring funds, cross-border exchanges, and that's why XRP is so important. That's why it was singled out, and that's why the SEC is the vehicle they picked, okay, to go after XRP and Ripple, okay? Gary Gensler presides over the most corrupt stock market in history, in my opinion. But this man is unhinged. He wants to control the crypto markets. It obviously belongs to the CFTC, another organization he used to run. And that's why he thinks he's been green-lighted to take over the crypto industry. Even though this case wasn't brought under Gary Gensler, it's still very, very important to powerful people who controls cross-border payments between countries. I saved this article from 5 years ago from Steemit. It's titled XRP Price If It Completely Replaces SWIFT. From the article, taking into account the limited nature of XRP, only 100 billion, and the volume of transactions through SWIFT, we get a $153 trillion market. If all this volume is stored in XRP, not including funds used to create the wallet and which are not in circulation, the value of each of the 100 billion XRP tokens would be $1,530. Now, 3 years ago, this headline appeared. Ripple's CEO says the US SEC is holding back XRP's potential. And then from last year, Ashish Birla commented, at Ripple XRP, the management level is again demonstrating increased optimism. The RippleNet network could increasingly replace SWIFT as early as 5 years from now. But guess what, guys? It's been long recognized that Ripple has bigger ambitions than just replacing SWIFT. Ripple runs RippleNet, which is a platform that enables anyone to send and exchange digital assets along with conducting cross-border transactions. This gave direct competition to the SWIFT banking system, which stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. The Arab Monetary Fund's Advisory Council proposed Ripple as a direct alternative to SWIFT. And in March of 2022, Ripple's well-known partner, the Clearinghouse, collaborated with an American multinational financial services business, Wells Fargo, to develop a new instantaneous payment system to challenge the supremacy of SWIFT. Ripple also partnered with an internationally recognized body called the Digital European Association, or DEA, to work on CBDCs. And now from today, guys, the XRP token has asserted its dominance in the crypto market ahead of the highly anticipated ruling in the SEC versus Ripple case, reports Kaiko. According to the latest research from the Smart Data portal, XRP has skyrocketed to become the third most traded token, trailing only Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of volume and liquidity depth. Investors are now eagerly positioning themselves for the expected verdict, which has led to a surge in the trading volume of XRP, especially on Korean exchanges. The once dismissed token has defied expectations, climbing the ranks and capturing the attention of the whole crypto community. I don't know how this case is going to end, but if this presentation proves anything, it's that the rest of the world isn't waiting on the US anymore. For the first time, these plans seem to be moving ahead with or without our consent. If you're interested in doing more research on XRP, I left a link in the description of this video to Uphold. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.